In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iMessage needs to be enabled. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. And basically, all you want to do, you can do on literally any iPhone you have or iPad if it has cellular, is go over to your settings application. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see apps as the final option, so go ahead and click on that. Now, at this point, you just want to look for your messages application. So you can scroll down if you want to, or you can just go to search apps at the bottom and then just go ahead and type in messages, and you're going to see your main iPhone messages app. Go ahead and click on that. Now, when you scroll down a bit, all you want to do is make sure if iMessage isn't sending or anything like that, or it needs to be enabled, just go ahead and find iMessage and it should be toggled on. If it's toggled on already, but it's still not working, toggle it off and then toggle it on again. And if it's still not sending it even after, toggling it on, basically for iMessage to work, you have to be on either, like you have to have an internet signal. So make sure you have Wi-Fi enabled. And if you're in a place where you don't have Wi-Fi access, turn on your mobile data, and only then is iMessage going to work and you're going to be able to send. Now, bear in mind, iMessage only works when it's from an Apple to Apple device. So if you're sending it from your phone to another Apple device, that's the only time iMessage actually works. If it's sending as a text message, that could be and you have internet on and everything, that could just be because the other person might be on Android and they don't have iMessage. But yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.